Okay, so directly going ahead in the foundation, I've already primed my face. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation for this, and just putting it everywhere and using my beauty blender to blend everything out. Now, I don't want this look to be very foundation heavy and concealer heavy, so therefore my base is going to look like really very much like a no makeup-y type. Next, I'm going to use I've already started using my Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just going to put it a bit on my eyes as well. And using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Bronzer plus Banana Powder, I'm going to use the banana powder and using the same palette and using the bronzer for my face. Obviously, that's for my face, but yeah. Using my Kylie Cosmetics blush, and next I'm going to go ahead with the brows. For brows, I'm going to use the Colourpop Brow Boss Pencil in shade brown, I guess. It's a medium brown if I'm not wrong. Don't worry, all the products will be listed in the description box below. Next, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty's transition shade, which is a beautiful brown shade, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid and use it for deepening my eye socket as well. And I'm going to use a deeper brown shade. This is a much deeper brownish shade. I suppose it's the henna shade, and I'm just going to use it for deepening the socket and using a different blending brush and just making sure everything is blended out perfectly, because we'll be using a gold shadow on it. And from my Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette, I am using a flat brush and just using the tiniest amount of the chocolate brown, which is just going to be there. And next, I'm going to go ahead with the gold brush and just making sure everything is perfectly fine. I've used my fingers to apply the gold shadow because I didn't want it to look very overpowering. For my kajal, I'm going to apply everything on my lower lash line and the upper lash line as well. For my lower lash line, I'm going to mix both the browns from my matte. From my Revolution palette, I'm going to use the highlight shade and going to highlight my brow bones, making sure that the gold is not really going anywhere else. I'm going to use my Deborah Milano excuse me, I'm going to use my Deborah Milano liner, and I'm going to make it a point that I pray to God that the liner doesn't suck in this look. So yeah, and making sure, taking my time with the liner, I'm going to smudge this liner so that everything looks perfectly fine with the look, because I really wanted to smudge out the liner and make it look like a very one smoky affair. So yeah, with my lash color, I'm going to use my Little Mac mascara, and yeah, highlighting my entire existence and using this beautiful burnt orange Manny MUA X Jeffree Star I Am Shook lipstick. And that's about it. I think the look has turned out pretty well. Wearing my earrings and with the dupatta, making sure bindi has to be there because it's an Indian festival. So yeah, that's it for the look, you guys. It's really easy and I love it. It's one of my favorite looks and like one of my favorite festive looks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.